Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is a friendly neighborhood trader Ankan. I hope you are doing well. This is the monthly reading for Virgo or Kanya Rashi Sun Moon Rising for the month of July 2025. This is a general reading based on collective energies, so it may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can check out the reading for your other signs. If you don't know how to check your other signs, you can check out my previous video on zodiac signs. Link is in the description below. And do stick to the end of the video to know your monthly oracle guidance card for this month. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. And let's get on with the reading for Virgo or Kanya Rashi Sun Moon Rising for the month of July 2025. So Virgo, I see you guys going through a tough phase this month. There is some sort of uh, emotional disstability, I would say, or emotional disbalance that is your way, coming your way at least this month. This is the theme for your month. Financial problems will be there for some of you, but this is nothing to get disheartened about, because I also see a lot of choices and options coming your way. You might feel a bit overwhelmed at times, but a lot of options are gonna come your way this month. We will get into that, but let's look a bit into the other energies that are there for you. Now, when it comes to your career and finances, I see you in a very much planning and plotting kind of phase. You are choosing to be in your comfort zone, and you're trying to figure out how you should approach in your career and finances this month. There is a sense of taking initiative towards something, but you are not yet fully decided on whether you should take that emotion or take a step or not. This has to do, like, since it's in your career position and the ones card, because you get the two of one, so it's a ones card, a very fiery card, but the twos are about making choices. So you haven't yet made a choice, but you are gonna make it soon based on more knowledge gathering and more introspection, I would say. Now, when it comes to your love and romance, I see you trying to understand someone. You are trying to, trying to figure out a lot of things about the person that is there in your life. This could also mean uh, sort of stalking kind of energy. So there's that. But yeah, a lot of you are trying to figure out how things are going on with your person, how your person is reacting, how your person is perceiving you. Basically, trying to gain more insights and more knowledge about your person. If you are married, I see you trying to understand your partner, trying to understand your partner's behavior, their emotions, and the overall dynamics of your relationship. Now, when it comes to your health, I see you doing well. There could be some good news coming your way. For some of you, this could be pregnancy or pregnancy related issues. Pregnancy related news. And so, definitely, good energies overall when it comes to your health. Now, when it comes to the other energies that is there, I see some sort of competition is there in your life. You are going to face opposition from people. People are going to oppose you or trying to block you from attaining things in your life. There could be a issue with you hurting someone's ego or your egos getting hurt. So there is a clash of egos involved this month. But the good thing is, I see you gaining victory over all of this commotion and competition that is there, all of this opposition that is there. You are gonna get victory. You are gonna get more clarity on things. But there are certain situations in our life that we do get victory over the competition, the competitors or our enemies. But this also leads to a lot of mental stress, a lot of depression, and this is what I'm exactly seeing for you this month. Although you will be victorious, although you will overcome your enemies and the opposition, but this is going to cause you a lot of mental stress, a lot of depression. There are going to be instances which could cause panic attacks for you. So overall, yeah, you will come out victorious, but there will be a cost involved, and that cost that is there is stress and trauma. So Virgo, yeah, uh, this is the energies for you. So I always suggest try to be more careful and cautious with the money related issues. Also, if you are facing trouble with some sectors in your life, or some sector, like some portion of your life is troubling you and you feel that you are alone, there is no help, just look around. There is help out there. We just need to ask for it and the universe will help you. Don't just be too much focused on the negative. Yeah. Now, the thing you should focus upon this month is you, and you should focus upon your fiery instincts. The Queen of Wands is all about, uh, passion, leadership, and charisma. You should take up the leadership role in your life. You should, take hold of uh, your passion, your action, things that drive you. So focus on that. For some of you, this could mean the person that is there in your life, and I see them being very much in their own power, very much in a very what should I say, very stable kind of position, very authoritative kind of position. But yeah, for most of you, it would mean that you are to accept and embrace that fiery energy that is within you. Try to take up the leadership role. Try to, take action towards something and enjoy your life overall. Now let's look at what Oracle Guidance card is coming your way this month. And so yeah, the thing that is coming your way is love. And the advice for you is love. Divine source is the idea that no person, place, or thing is your salvation, only love itself. So, what the universe is asking you to do is seek salvation in love itself. Because love comes from the divine, and that is like love is not just restricted to some person, but overall, there should be a sense of love in your life, a sense of love towards you, yourself, your partner, and the divine. So, yeah, Virgo, love is there in your life. Just focus your energies towards it and embrace it. So, this would be all for your reading, Virgo, for this month. And if you like the reading, do like the video if it resonated with you. And to claim the reading, do comment and also subscribe to the channel so that you get more of such readings in the coming days. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a good day and bye.